Miss Allie is fascinated by the snow blowing around in the window well, and a few leaves are out there also. We're having a blizzard today, which is more the wind than the snow when it comes to blizzards. I guess we're having up to 40-mile-an-hour winds in the gusts. Well, it was really showing the snow blowing around. As soon as I pick up the camera, of course, it goes elsewhere. Well, there's some littler ones, little gusts. It's funny to watch Allie. She finds this very fascinating. Oh, not enough to stay awake, probably. It's probably go for her afternoon nap. Anyway, that's what's happening up here. There's some snow going around. Woo! You can tell from the screen on the left side of the window there has a screen on it. And it makes all these different colors on there when the wind is hitting it all the time. You can't see that with the naked eye, but you can see it on a picture or the video. Okay. Anyway, bye.